Open up the piano and let's play the right hand melody for the jump rope song from Squid Game. This is how it will sound when you have completed this tutorial. 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Go on, yeah. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. Again. Go Maya. 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. New part. 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Third line. Welcome to another piano tutorial. Now in this video, we will go through the melody line by line. First, I'll show you the notes using letter names. Then I'll guide you through the fingerings I used for smooth playing. And finally, we'll play together so you can practice along with me. Let's get started! Now this song is in the key of D flat major. These are the black keys. We have a B flat to E flat to A flat to D flat and a G flat. Okay, so practically these 5 notes we need to flat it. So if you encounter any B, E, A, D or G, make sure you lower them 1 semitone going down. Okay? For the first line we have a tok tok nugo shimnika. Okay, so we have a tok tok. We have a B flat, A flat, B flat. Nugo shimnika is a F, B flat, B flat, A flat, B flat. For the fingering, tok tok is a 4, 3, 4. And then we have a nugo shimnika. We have a 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so can you play the first line together with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. 4, 3, 4, and 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Next line, Goma imnida duo ruseyo. For these 2 lines, it's exactly the same. We have a Goma imnida. It's gonna be a F, B flat, B flat, A flat, B flat. And we repeat again. F, B flat, B flat, A flat, B flat. For fingering, we're gonna use 1, 3, and 4. So it's gonna be a 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Again. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Can you play together with me? Ready? 1, 2, second line. Goma imnida and duo ruseyo. Next line, komaya, komaya, dui ro do ra ra. We have a komaya, komaya, dui ro do ra ra. For the alphabet, it's gonna be a doma. Komaya is a F, B flat, B flat. Next one, komaya, B flat, B flat, A flat. Dui ro, B flat, G flat. Do ra ra, B flat, B flat, A flat. For fingering, for komaya is a 1, 4, 4. Next komaya 4, 4, 3. Komaya. Dui ro 4 and 5. Do ra ra 4, 4, 3. Let's play this line together with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. Learning this song and want to go further? I've got a full piano resource waiting for you. From chord sheets, piano scores, practice plans, MP3 tracks, and even a goal checklist. It's all up on my Patreon, so come grab it and level up your playing. And then the next line is exactly the same as line 3. Komaya, komaya, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. Tange jopora. Exactly the same. So let's play a 4th line together. Ready? 1, 2, start from 1. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. And the next line is still the same. Komaya, komaya, hamba, due, ro, ra. We have a F, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A flat. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. And then we have a hanban, B flat and D flat. Due, ro, ra, B flat, B flat, A flat. So let's try the next line smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. And then the last line, we have a komaya, komaya, something a little bit different. Ja, ga, go, ra. But the komaya and komaya, the first 2 komaya is the same as the previous lines. We have a komaya, F, B flat, B flat, same thing. Komaya, B flat, B flat, A flat. And then we have a ja, ga, go, ra. We're going to use a 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. We have a B flat, A flat, F, A flat, B flat. Fingering is 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Okay, so let's add the new parts together. We have a komaya, komaya, ja, gakora. Last time, please blues me together with me. Ready, 1, 2, ready, go. Komaya, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.